Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and telling everybody about me. So today guys, I am going to be cooking Jamaican style Caribbean chicken soup. Can you believe it? It's that time guys. I need some lovely power up. So I'm going to make some food for my brother as well to take with him. He's going to be coming from his work. And yeah, keep tuned to see what's going on. Yes. Hi guys, so I have just put on a pan. I'm going to put some oil in there and we're going to brown the chicken. That's what we're going to do guys. Yeah. So how's everybody getting on? How's everybody coping with this COVID situation? Do you know what I mean? And whilst the chicken is frying, I'm going to be cutting up these beautiful, lovely vegetables. Pumpkin is great for you. Great source of vitamin D, iron, and all sorts. So is your sweet potatoes. And we have some garlic. We have some spring onion. Yeah. Some people call it scallion, and some onions and scotch bonnet, which is already inside the chicken. So as you can see, this has been marinated for like 2 days, two days. So it has pimento seeds, all-purpose seasoning, chicken, as you can see the chicken, some thyme, what else? Pimento seeds are from Jamaica, and it's like a great seasoning for any of your soups and seasoning for any kind of meats and fish. And yeah, what else is in here? Chicken seasoning and a little bit of curry powder because I just want it to be a little bit more flavoursome. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting the chicken in. Let's get one of these. So yeah, as I was saying, how's everybody getting on and coping with the COVID situation? Ooh, that's one chicken. So I like to brown the chicken, guys, before I enter it into this bad boy pot. Bad boy. So you must take all the pimento seeds off before frying. Any excess veg that or seasoning that you have that's bulky, just tap it off and then fry your chicken. Otherwise it will pop at you like this one. One has escaped guys. One has escaped. I need a spoon to help me here. And always wash your chicken guys. Wash your hands. I wash my chicken in lime, lemons. Some people use vinegar. So you can always have a look online if you're not sure. Take it from me guys. I know what I'm talking about. Come on, get out there. Get out. I know you're used to getting it, bro. So this chicken is on a low heat at the moment as I'm placing in each piece. It's quite time consuming to make your chicken soup, but it has to be made with love. Love. I love to sing me. As requested guys, I know you asked me to do more cooking, so this is what I'm doing. Cooking tutorials with True Star Bianca 1. Woohoo! More chicken. Some people stab their chicken, pierce it, poke it, whatever you want to call it. I'm frying the chicken off in batches. Right, let's get in there. Smells gorgeous, everybody. Smells amazing. I was thinking to start my own little business, like maybe once a week. Just obviously people put in their orders and I cook. In the comments in below, guys, put your comments in what you think, what my next recipe should be. Set me a challenge of recipes. That would be good, wouldn't it? And I'll see if I can cook it, because I can cook very many foods. I've tried Chinese also, and English food, so, and Indian food, like curry. So, yeah, we've got half of the chicken in, guys. So I've put half of the batch of chicken in already. That's frying now. We're going to brown the chicken and turn up. I've just turned the heat back up again. And yeah, I'm going to cover the chicken. That's for now. That's waiting. And I'm going to prepare the vegetables. So I've washed these all already. I washed them all. I'm going to wash them again, just to do the same side. I haven't washed these, so I'm going to do these. Nice and clean and washed vegetables, everybody. So we're going to go ahead and cut these carrots. I want to line them up like so and chop them way. Yeah, I'm just going to rough chop these carrots. Okay. Sometimes I do the bag, really big, not little, roughly chopped. I have to away. Carrots. I haven't got any more, I need to get some more, but you can put as much carrots as you like. Have to be careful, guys, using big chopper, it's very sharp. And how am I going to do this? I think I'm going to go down the back. So, actually, let's go from this way. I was trying to be inventive, it didn't really work. What we're going to do here. Be careful of your fingers, guys. Woo! Yay, we've done it. Woo! Ta-da! And now I'm going to de-seed these. I should get a bowl. Hold on a second, guys. Get the bowl. Woo! Just de-seed. Go. Take it out. One, and then I'm gonna skin these. Be careful, guys. But maybe if your first time trying it, don't hold it like that. Maybe just put it like this down. Just cut off the outside skin. It's extremely hard. You don't want that in. Some people leave it on, but I don't want to. And if you can hear, I'm going to quickly show you the chicken just because it's turned it over and it's browning extremely nicely, guys. Beautiful. Look at that brown colour. Wonderful. Right. Multitask them eyes. So, yay! We've got the green hard outer skin off. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the colour. So vibrant. So here we're gonna rubbish. Yeah, to set that aside there, and carry on, whoop, and carry on, and so on and so on. Like Ariston. Careful, guys. I don't want an accident on camera now, do we? So, hope you enjoy my cooking tutorial. I love to cook. Look at my other videos, you'll be able to see I love to cook, I love to sing, I love to dance, I love to love. I love to just have a good time with whatever I'm doing. So here we go. Like stringy there. It's 2. And the excess on to the next. Let me devein it first. De-seed it, devein. Thinking it was prawns. I love prawns. Ooh, what's your favourite foods, guys? Maybe you can put something in the comments and let me know. Oops. Rather stringy, this part. Oh, not coming off now. Right, here we go. Do as you're told. Right. Ooh, right. Back to chopping me out. Oops. See, and that's how my chop took off my finger there. Right. Then what else? There. Oof. Making a little bit of a mess here. Let's go. Right, I'm going to rinse these now. Oops, going to wash these, and I'll be back. Hey guys, back again. So now I'm going to chop some onions. Because you don't really need it, but I like onions in there. And 2 cloves of garlic. Some people just smash it like this. You see what I'm doing here? And just basically just pop out. Ta-da! Little trick there. And then you want to go in and cut the ends off. There you go. Perfect. And what we're going to do is transfer the chicken very soon into the big pot. See you in a minute. Hi everybody, so I'm back with the chicken, which is lovely and brown. So this is the first half. The second half I'm going to put inside the frying pan, and then I'm going to add the vegetables and everything, and yeah. Second batch of frying, we're nearly dying for the chicken. Second batch of frying, I'll stop it. So yeah, as that's frying, I'm there going in and I'm peeling the sweet potato. Woohoo! Yeah. This one's pretty nice, this thing. Woo. Turn your chicken over. Turn your chicken over. So yeah, it's beautiful. It to be a nice brown consistency, guys. Before you add it in your pot for your chicken soup. I just think it tastes better when it's fried. I learned the technique from Muka Ras Kitchen on YouTube, and ever since I've never gone back. You know, good, very good. Woo, baby! Woo, baby! Second batch of chicken going in, guys. So right now I have carrots, spring onion in there, onions and garlic. So I'm gonna get my spoon. Gonna cook this down a little bit. Cook it down. I'm gonna add some water to it. How's it looking? Just get close inside there. Can you see everybody? Yeah. Close, have a look. Me come from the SM, me come from far. Me come from the SM, me come from far. Me come from the SM, me come from far. So hear me now start all in all. I get the ratings overall. You see that face I never stop. Sorry about my editing, guys. Right, let's go. Smells so lovely. We're gonna add some mixed herbs in here too. Don't bring too much. I'm not really, I don't never use measurements. I've never actually had to because I was taught by my mum, who's kind of used her initiative when cooking, and it seems to work up until this day. So, bear with me. Yum, yum. Should have made a spoon like that, I know. I'm so impressed, wanting to impress you guys. There you go. And yeah, and then I'm going to, what am I going to do? Then I'm going to add what are these? Sweet potatoes, guys. I know lots of people don't do their soup this way, but believe me, it's another nice way to do it. Sometimes it's good to switch it up, you know. And then we're gonna add our pumpkin, oh baby. I'm just gonna chop these up nicely. I'm gonna say it's half a centimeter or a centimeter, just what are you trying to say? The water, the level. Don't flood the chicken in the water. Leave enough room. Oh wow, guys, it's just looking amazing. Because chicken has water in it already, you kind of don't need to drain, you know, drown your chicken. There we go, drown your chicken. Let's find the word. Oh wow, I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. So yeah, you guys subscribe to my channel? Have you gone over to see my amazing TikTok videos on TikTok? True Star Bianca 1. Everything will be in the link in the description. How to make the chicken soup, what I'm making right now, also will be in the description. Let's put some more pumpkin. More pumpkin in here, I think. Just a little bit more. Put some pumpkin there. Yum, yum, yummy. Sweet potato, pumpkin. And even frying the chicken actually takes up maybe half the time of cooking your soup. All you have to do is wait for the veg to cook down and you're really good to go. It's beautiful. I didn't get to put any dumplings in this soup today. I've got self-raising flour, but anyway, I think I should put some dumplings in. Let's go. Actually, I will. Don't be lazy. And if you'd like to add the rest of your seasoning in, you may. Which has, whoopsie, that's not what it should have done. But yeah, just add your seasoning, throw that bit away, guys. Don't be picking up anything from the side or the floor or anything like that. Wish I had a bay leaf. That would be cool. Where's the cloth? Let's get to cleaning. Right. So yeah, always clean up after yourselves as well, guys. Cleanliness is godliness. So yeah, if we wanna let's take a look and see what's going on. Beautiful, lovely chicken, guys. Chicken soup. Ooh. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with this. I'm absolutely happy with this. Just give it a quick stir, maybe. Maybe we could do that. Oh, it's beautiful, everyone. Look. Ooh. Let's get away from the steam a little bit. Ooh. It's gorgeous. Leave this to cook, say, for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. On a low heat, and yeah, you'll be very happy with it. See you later. Guys, what did I make? I made chicken soup. Beautiful, lovely chicken soup. So you can get the recipe on my YouTube channel. Look at this. Proper Caribbean style. Enough chicken in there, boy. So that's gonna feed myself, my brother, my son, and whoever wants some. Take care now. Don't forget to subscribe. Swipe up for the link. Beautiful, lovely chicken soup, guys. Let's zoom in. It's gonna taste scrummy. And yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Yum. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, guys, because I need you guys. I need you to, like, you know, help me, and tell me what it tastes like when you've eaten it. Let me try some myself. Oh yes. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Hey guys, so this is my client, lovely auntie, and she tried my food for the first time. Auntie, I made Jamaican Caribbean soup. What do you think? Was it okay?
This is so delicious. Very nice. Yum.
Thank you. Bye.